In today's video we are checking out Copacabana Beach. Doesn't look anything too special at the minute, and we've been told it's not the best beach in the area. But when you're here, you've got to check it out, I guess. We've made it onto the beach, got an umbrella, giving us a very small area of shade that we're sharing. Changing to swim shorts or bath shorts, as some people call them. And to be honest, it's like sunbathing. Well, I'm not sunbathing, I'm in the shade. It's like laying in the middle of a market. You can buy anything and everything, and everybody wants you to buy everything. He's selling hair braids. I don't know why he didn't come over to me. People selling burgers, ice creams, fruit salads. And that's a couple of hours at Copacabana Beach. It was nice enough. Couldn't go in the water because the waves were huge and too strong. And it's just a decent average beach really. But for a beach in a major city, it is not bad. I give it 4 out of 7.